Good morning. It's me again, Daryl. Just down playing around with the bike and trying to put some cameras on and figure out some mounting locations for when I do get to go out for a ride. I can show you around, show you around my town and some of my travels, which I'm going to be doing a few this year, I think. But these just clamp mics, so I putting those on the handlebars. I've got 5 of these things for putting your phone on. I'm using my phone right now uh, to video this. I've got a mic there, an external mic. That's for this camera here. That's the Wolfgang. I think it's the 420. Nice little camera. I like it because it's a touch screen and it also has a remote. So I can click it, hit video, or snap a picture whenever I feel like. Just you don't have to do anything with the camera, just click it. Also comes with a case. The only thing is you can't use the microphone with the case. And this microphone is even sideways, so you'll never get it in there anyway. This little camera I've had since 1987, or 87. 2018 I got that. When I was driving, I wanted a dash cam up in the truck. So I got this little thing and it worked really well and it's still working. I've been using that as a dash cam for a lot of years. And I got various mounts here. These all came in little kits. A bunch came with this one. A few things came with that one. And then I ordered this thing and something else came with it and some cords. And I also ordered remote, what do you call them? Lapel pin speaker microphones things, the bobs. Those, a bunch of these little tail thingies to put on here for noise. You get a whole bunch of straps with it, and I like this thing. It's for, you put that on your wrist, and you can put the camera, mount the camera on here, and you get a first-hand view. I think if I was going to do it, I'd put it on right up my arm maybe, and that way you can see over the handlebar. We've got a head mount. Doubt very much I'll ever use that. Chest mount, that might be nice. Get some nice view. We're going to do some hiking, I think, my wife and I, with Tinkerbell, and I think, there's a lot of really nice spots around here. Really hope you're going to be impressed with the scenery. Of course, helmet cam. I didn't want the sticky on type. I didn't want to mess up my new helmet. I'll show you the helmet later. But that I think that'll be really nice. It seemed to be sturdy when I had it on there. I just took it off to show you. What have I got over here? Oh, it's just another mount here, or little tripod. It just goes up that high. Guess if I want a ground shot or something, I don't know. Or a picture of the bike coming towards you or whatever it is. I'm just thinking about things, and then you're on a big long tripod here. Yeah, just accessories and cords. There's cords everywhere. Okay, so I'm just going to switch to some views of what I think might be nice on the bike. So it'll be just like a few clips here and there, and just see what you think and see what I think. So I'll give it a try. So I'm gonna redo some of this footage. So this is the camera right in front of the bike. So then I can turn this camera on. So that might still be too low. I don't know. I can't see. So this is where I'm going to be sitting on the bike. So let's see. I'll leave the remote there. So this one, once the blue light goes out, yeah. So there's 3 different images, 1, 2, 3. How I'm going to edit this. Okay. So I could do that one. I guess I can go that way. So I do that. So I do that. Brum, 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 brum. Brum, 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 brum. You gotta make those sounds when you're doing that. You gotta make those sounds when you're doing the bike stuff. Shut that one off. So there. Okay, so let's pause everybody for a second. Okay, pause you. And I'll pause you. So I got this camera on my arm. This is my touch arm. But if if I don't plug this little bugger in, now I can't see to plug it in. Yeah, come on. I'm blowing. There we go. Recording. It shuts off. And then recording. So now it shuts off. This is looking, that's in the mirror. This is looking, so it's still looking back at me in the mirror. Thought at least you'll see this. So it's still looking back at me. Clutch. Thought at least you'll see the broom broom, right? Clutch. I still have to have, worst thing is I have to have a cord. Broom broom, right? But I still have to have, worst thing is I have to have a cord all the time. So hooked to this camera. Other one I can use. So the other one I can use, as you can see, it's going right into the mirror. As you can see, it's going right into the mirror. Shots at the road or something if you're going brum brum brum. It might be nice for shots at the road or something if you're going brum brum brum. But that's all you're going to see is me in the mirror and then shots out the road. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Pads. So, So you see the little blue dot right there? So there's the camera right there. So if we're riding, I record. So that's what you'd see down there. On the camera down there. So I can see it here myself. So that looks good. I like that. You see part of the fork here. But you're down low. That's about as low as I'm going to be able to get. Oops. I don't have much cord left. So if I want to get even lower, which I'd like to go right down to the frame, bottom of the frame. Okay. So now I've got the camera right down in there. You can see it with all, it's kind of dark. You may not even be able to see past that. So if I go and record, so I'm recording. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to even see. Yeah, if that wasn't there, I'd be able to do it easily. But that's in the way. Okay, So I put it on the let's go to the other side. So that's no good. That's going to be the same thing. So if I take these off, I'll be able to put it down there. Yeah. We want to be on the roadside, right? You guys want to be on the roadside? Yeah. Let's do it again. Oh, they're easy to take off. Tighten up. Okay. So that's the view from down there. I like that. That would make a nice picture. Where else can I go? So any other ideas or suggestions on where I can mount a camera? That would be great. Like I say, I don't think a chest cam would be any good because it's right into the back here. I thought about here, but all you're going to do is see my leg or whatever, my side. And if I go backwards, that's going to make you sick. Guess I could go that way and backwards. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? Let me come over here. Bring you over here. Put it on the sissy bar that way. Well, there's an idea. Cool. So that's just filming reverse. Okay, I like that. What do you think? Anywhere else? Any other ideas? It would be appreciated. That's all I can think of right now. So I appreciate you dropping in. It was a great little exercise of trying to figure out where I can put the camera. So like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it. Just this is not it. There's a little bit more left. I was playing around last night with the video cameras, and the wife, I was going to delete it, and the wife says, nope, 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 you got to put that in at the end. So here you go. This is me. I spent too much time alone. Okay.